Hey guys, the RC Boys, we're doing another longest shot wins. We have this new edition, it's called the
Adventure Force.
Adventure Force, so...
And it shoots balls?
Yep.
Okay.
Just like the Hyper.
Yep.
I figured out that you have to use safety goggles for it.
Safety goggles for that one. Shoots pretty crazy.
You can do safety goggles with this one too. Oh, you don't understand how fast that is.
Yeah. The Ranger is pretty powerful. So is those two down there.
Right, so let's get to it. Who's this Minecraft?
Minecraft.
Oh, this is not made by nerf.
Yep. Say Minecraft single shot. Just on that crack is good. Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. Like, for a little one, it's really good.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
I mean, it's really good for a little one. All my nerves are in the house, so some of them were not fully loaded.
That's right. Leftover from the Nerf wars. Much better.
It landed in right here.
Yep. Oh. Hey, Hops. What's up?
Hey, Hops.
Hey, buddy.
Oh. And then here's our puppy.
Our little stinkers.
Little city.
Okay. Knock off number one. Wow.
That's not a last place. It used to be more close.
Yeah. Might depend on what bullet you have in there too.
It did submerge underwater.
It's true. Oh, the dinosaur hunter.
This one.
Maybe put like more up, aim it up a little more.
Oh. Yeah, dude. Ready?
Yep.
Aim it more.
There we go.
That's better.
Yep.
Here?
Yep. I think this was the, well, not besides the Hyper. This was the winner for the dart one last time. Like the one that shoots darts, that was the winner last time. Yeah. Oh no, it was the Ranger.
That was this
No, not for distance. Distance is the one you're holding. Remember, we were
one.
surprised.
No, the Ranger.
We were surprised that the little one won.
The Ranger.
Have to go back and
Anyways.
check.
Maybe close. But I think this one may have hit.
Slightly ahead.
There Well, I'm not gonna spoil it until the end of the video.
Okay.
And here's our new one.
New edition. There we go. Eye protection.
It's so hard to read.
It's got a lot of power then. Whoa. That landed right in the middle of the street.
Well, that's pretty much.
Yeah, so don't put the gun there. Just leave the ball. We'll see it. It's literally right in the middle of the street. Okay.
Yeah. This one is definitely dirty. This one is
Usually not the best.
let's see.
Knockoff. Whoa. It's like the best it's ever done.
Yeah.
Surprising.
Yeah, that's the best it's ever done. That's the best one it's ever done. This one isn't this an automatic last place one?
Pretty much.
A blit? Like, these are my best nerf things here. Right here, right?
Yep.
How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's only 9. Here comes the power over.
Okay.
We'll call it the power.
Not that good today.
Well, that is bad. I don't think so.
I'm telling you, I don't think that one did very good last time. It's those little ones that always do a lot better.
Barely beat it. I just barely. Now this Blizz is the what's the Blizz good for?
Blitz is good for shooting a bunch fast. You don't have to reload. It's electric, but distance is, yeah.
There, that's better.
Man, it's close to last.
Real bad.
Yeah. It's just cool because it's electric.
These are some best
This one's cool because it holds a bunch. It doesn't go super far.
ones.
Yeah, okay, pretty good.
Barely beat that laser. Right now, here comes
Comes the
the hyper.
big boy.
Please get your hyper. This one.
Okay.
I don't think I will.
Yeah, you'll be right. Okay. Safety's off. Now. There we go. Oh man, that. Yeah. It hit the other yard just on its own. Okay, so last place as usual.
Okay, last place.
Bow and arrow.
Second to last.
Second to last.
Third to last. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Did you count the ball? Orange ball?
Yeah. 9th place. 8th place. 7th place.
Close.
6th place.
5th.
5th.
4th.
Who can I say?
I would say that's 4th.
4th.
3rd.
3rd. And then second.
Second, there's a little orange ball. And then our green.
Lime green.
He always makes it to the other side. Cool.
You can make it curve.
So the new one is he's a new contender for first. It's kind of a close second. He might have made it across if you didn't get stuck. Cool. All right. Like and subscribe.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yep. And go Astros.